Okay, here we are. We're out looking for a waterfall. It's called Blue Stem Falls. Below Blue Stem Lake, if you believe that. Little adventure. Had a nice water crossing. We'll see what we find. So what you find on adventures when you go out there. Right here we have the Oklahoma state reptile, the eastern collared lizard. So yeah, they're kind of cool. A little blue, a little yellow, really vibrant. Yep, right here at the falls. So yeah, cool thing. Hey, here we have Oklahoma's Blue Stem Falls. I'm not going to go down any farther. I don't have the best shoes on for hiking. But you know, a good 30 foot of waterfall drop. When you're out adventuring, it doesn't take much to find something. Got a cool little swimming hole. So we'll put this all together. Gotta get the pictures. There we have it. Okay.